In this video, I'll explain how to use Mailchimp for email marketing as a beginner in 2026. Mailchimp is an all-in-one email marketing platform that helps you build an audience, create professional emails, automate campaigns, and track your results, all without needing any coding skills. The basic idea is simple. First, you build your email list by adding contacts or collecting subscribers through sign-up forms. Then, you create email campaigns using Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor and send them to the right audience. Mailchimp also lets you organize your contacts with tags, groups, and segments, so you can send more personalized emails instead of sending the same message to everyone. As your business grows, you can use automation features like welcome emails, follow-up sequences, abandoned cart reminders, and customer journeys to save time and engage subscribers automatically. After each campaign, Mailchimp provides detailed analytics, including open rates, click rates, and other key metrics, so you can measure your performance and improve future campaigns. If you're just starting out, the free plan is a great way to learn the platform. As your audience and marketing needs grow, you can upgrade to unlock more advanced features. If you want step-by-step tutorials on any Mailchimp feature, be sure to check out our channel. We have detailed guides covering everything from creating campaigns and managing audiences to automations, templates, and analytics. And that's how you can use Mailchimp for email marketing in 2026.